I welcome BIM-IAGA continued collaboration to further bolster its ties, creating a more robust cooperation and a better equip itself in absorbing global economic impact. Colleagues, at our last summit, we adopted this BIM-IAGA Vision 2025, which led our relevant sector based on strategies to ensure that development continues to be made in the sub-region. I trust that much progress has been made in the implementation in the last 2 years. Hence, I look forward to the report of our ministers in this. I'm now also keen to hear from colleagues in how we can enrich our cooperation at the sub-regional level. Thank you.